Hey there, how you going? Welcome to the next video here. In this one, I've been getting a lot of questions is how do you actually add in a logo, or how do you create a logo and add it into your Aweber list settings? So I'm in Aweber right now, and when you go into your list, you've set up a list, you go to list options and list settings. And under personalize your list, this is where you're going to find the ability to add in an image. Okay, now I always find that you can, well, one, you can just click on the image gallery, and if you've got any image, or you can use some stock image if you really wanted to. But what I always find is best is to actually add in an image of yourself. All right, so that's the first thing I would do. And then secondly, yes, you can use a Canva. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly show you how you can do either or either of these. So the first place I like to go when I do an image of myself is I'm simply going to go to a website called pfpmaker.com, and it's profile picture maker. So if you just go to Google there and just type in pfpmaker.com, you can use this completely free, and that's another great benefit, right? So all you want to do is just click here, and you're just going to grab any photo of yourself. So let me just go ahead and grab a photo. Okay, so I've just uploaded this photo here, and we're just going to let that load. And what it's going to do is it's going to crop out the background. It'll make it a transparent background, and then it will put in all sorts of cool different backgrounds for you. You can have it in square or round. I prefer the round look, and it really just looks professional at the bottom of your emails. So this is the one that I highly recommend, and it's cool. I mean, you could always use a stock image of somebody else if you really want to, but I do recommend using yourself. So now that it's done that, if I scroll down, we can see here, as you can see, it's taken out the background. Now, I don't usually like any of these ones. I usually find further down there's some cool ones, all right? And you can be at the beach if you want to. You can be anywhere you want, the way this kind of thing works. And then we can edit it. So you got all these fancy backgrounds that you can use there. It's a little bit crazy, a little bit hectic, all right? But I prefer, as we come down here, you'll start to see some of the better ones, just at this second section here. All right, so I start to see these kind of things working better. So you've got this beach scene, which is cool. You're at the beach, you're on holidays, whatever it may be. There's a bit of the nightlife there. All right, then you've got this lights in the background. All right, and then the ones that I like are these kind of ones where you're actually in the office there. So we've got like office looks as well. All right, then there's this one here. I kind of like these ones, and they go on and on and on, right? So you can just choose and pick any old one you want. Now let's just go for this one. I'm going to click on customize. Alrighty, and now we have this here. Now you can actually change stuff. You can change the brightness, the contrast. You can put a border around it. You can put a shadow. You can do an outline. So if I put an outline around me, for instance, we can do that there. That's a pretty cool effect. Alrighty, so we can do that. We can change the width of that. We can make it a little bit less wide, right? Like so, if you wanted to. You can change the color of that. So I can change the color of it. It's really endless as to what you can actually do here. Yeah? So it's kind of cool. So I'll take that off because I'm not really gonna do that. You can actually put a shadow in there as well. So there's a bit of a shadow, right? That looks pretty cool. And then you've got additional filters. You can transform all sorts of cool things. Once you're happy with it and you've got it how you like it, you can also actually come over here to border, and you can add a border around the whole thing, which I think is a pretty cool idea as well. Alrighty, and then you can change the color. You can have gradient colors. Let's just go with something. Let's go with something a little bit more cool like that. Yeah, so we can go with something like that. All right, and then once you've got it and you're happy, then you just simply go ahead and download it, and that's it. That's how you can create your profile picture, and really simple stuff, and it looks kind of professional. Now, the other option is over here on Canva. So in Canva, all you're really going to do is, it's really simple here. You can just type in logo, and this is a good one if you're kind of considering doing a logo where it's kind of like a branded logo, if you want to just brand it. So I'm just going to do a search for logo. You can create a blank one, or you can simply edit one of the ones that already are here, right? Which is going to make it really, really easy. Alrighty, so if I was to come through here and have a look for something, you can just pick any old thing, to be honest, and then you can change it how you want. So if I click on this one, for instance, we can then click on customize this template. If I click on customize this template, now it'll take me into the Canva editor, and I can change colors, I can checking this, it's just the perfect size, and it's kind of already kind of set up for us, ready to go. So as this loads, as you can see here, I could change this, I could go like my name here, JC, yep, and then I can put here, I could put that John. Okay, so I could do something like that. Something like that, right? You could put anything you want in here, and now you have yourself a really cool branded kind of a logo. All right, so that's really easy. Once you've got that, you're happy with that, you're simply going to come over here and you're going to click on download. And then I do recommend downloading with the transparent background. It's not overly essential, so you can do that. I think you need to be a pro member of Canva to use that, but if you're not, that's fine. Just go ahead and click on download, and then you'll have it downloaded. Then once you've got your image, all right, you're going to come over and then you're going to click on browse here. And then you're going to browse for your particular file, right? So in this case, let's just grab the one I just created, which was this profile picture, and it's going to drop it in here. Now that's going to come up in your email signature at the bottom of every single email, which is going to make it really cool. So as you can see, that is going to look really, really professional. And then all you do is you click Save List Settings. So that is how you do it. Now, if you haven't already done so, please do me a favor. I've just started this new channel. I'm delivering, weekly content here where I'm helping you guys out with all sorts of different topics. One, go ahead and comment below and let me know the next video you want me to record on whatever topic you like, internet marketing related. And do me a favor, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, like the video obviously, and share it if you don't mind. But most importantly, that really helps out the channel here is if you comment and actually just give it that thumbs up, and of course subscribe. Rightio. Now, as a bit of a gift, what I've actually got for you, and I'll put a link below, is I do have a internet marketing, affiliate marketing, step-by-step blueprint that you can have completely free. This is going to break down everything you need to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. So I will put a link below there. You can go ahead and click that link. That's going to allow you to get that, and we'll send it straight over. There's no catches here. You get the blueprint absolutely free. So please do me a favor, go ahead and click that, grab that blueprint, and hopefully that helps you out in starting your online business. All right, that's it from me. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.